race came to an abrupt ending. That Compton, the cocky cock shot. Pretty good hook. Let's hear it for him. 321 foot 6. And he didn't run out of fuel. Proud of him. You smell that, folks? Not Matt's stinky old cock shot. I'm talking about those dandy looking baked potatoes down there at the booth. Let me tell you. Go on down and get you some, folks. Who can resist? Fully stuffed baked potato. In the 7,000-pound stock tractor class. It's going to take more of a conservative approach to things. Is that the way to do it, Mr. Wayne Easter? Take the conservative approach to things? Yeah, that'll get him fired, won't it? What? He's not much of a panic. Like they say, the old tortoise and the hare. But will the tortoise make it there? I guess all we'll do is sit and stare. Till 10, but just saying. She's chugging along there pretty good. Might have to dance the break there, young fella. Oh. He had a good thing going. Let's hear it. Mr. Trent Monahan. tractor class. But she ain't over yet. We got ourselves a three-way tie for second place.
20? 20?
I don't know. You can give us some of the numbers, so yeah, probably.
Trim on ahead with a pole and length of 230 feet 1 inch. I guess the lovely Chelsea Taylor's gonna start the big pull off for second place. We have a three-way tie, ladies and gentlemen. Another friendly reminder, folks, anybody who brought a dog with them or any other animal with 4 legs that didn't put it on a leash, please do so. I'd hate to see a wild animal cut loose tonight during the fireworks. We don't need that. Or if I like that dog, I might just take it home. I'm a dog kind of guy. Chelsea Taylor in the 570 Cockshot Super. Starting off our three-way tie for second place in the 7,000-pound stock tractor class. Just dialing in the drag here, folks.
Why are you doing that for, you dummy? It's already set.
You throw your attention to the starting end of the track. You'll notice we got some illuminated numbers up for your discretion. That would be the distance pulled by the puller. Chelsea Taylor starting the big tiebreaker for the second place position in the 7,000-pound stock tractor class.
I'm gonna have my work cut of you working.
Those of you who just got the supper dishes done and were Late showing up here, we got ourselves a three-way tie for second place in the 7,000-pound stock tractor class. Something tells me the governor works well on this cockshot. Mr. Ireland's tough on the contingents for second place, let me tell you. I'm seeing 173.99. Chelsea Taylor, 173.99 feet. You'll notice the drag set up a little more aggressive this time for the tiebreakers. We got Kevin Sear up next. Let me tell you, if he gets second place here, he's gonna lose his gentleman-like credentials, that's for darn sure. Down goes the plate. Kevy boy. We got a 173-foot 3.9 pole showing for Mr. Kevin Sear. So far, you got beat by one girl, Kevin. Mr. Glenn McCory coming up next. Rally at the field, the tie breaking for the second place of the 7,000-pound stock tractor class. No pressure, Glenn. I hope you didn't get your hair done for nothing tonight. This man needs 3 arms to run this cock shop. You watch him. Down there, up there, over there. Oh, 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 oh. He was on a roll. 172.36 for Mr. Glenn. Glenn, what did you hit there anyway? The stop button? Cock shots have them. Good pull, buddy. Aggressive plate out there tonight. He wasn't that hard on them the first time. He showed them who was boss the second time. Oh, there you have it, guys. 7,000 pound stock tractor class. 4th place, Mr. Glenn McCory. Kevin Sear, number 3. Chelsea Taylor, the 2nd. And the one sitting in the big chair for the 7,000 pound class is Mr. Tadek Jobin at a whopping